Okay, so I think we're day 24 now. Ruben's here for the tile, and I just thought I'd give you a little peek at where he's at now. And I keep putting my hand in front of the camera. So, those pieces that I was concerned about yesterday, he did not have down, so there was really no concern. But everything's in. All of the travertine is in. Of course, the tile is in. I guess he's gonna do the skimmer baskets and all that, is my assumption. Which means he's gonna have to probably cut again, because those things were not put in earlier. And he was just on the phone with the contractor. But the travertine looks beautiful. And it's been out in the sun all day, and they're not hot. So, God, it would be great if we could afford to do travertine on the flooring. That's where we're at now. I'll check back in with you. All right. It is 5:15. Ruben stayed later than normal. And I'll just show you what's done, which I think most everything is done. He does have to come back and stucco the outside, but I don't think he can do that until all of this hot mess is gone, which I'll flip the camera around and show you the other way, because it's probably makes more sense. All right, so all of this would have to be gone in order for him to stucco, because that dirt is up so high. As you can see, that's not even level. So the stucco actually may not happen, thinking about it, until we put what we want down on the ground. But tile is done, grout is done. Here we are. So there it is. Let's see. Let's step into the pool and take a look at the tile. So there we are. This first step down looks like such a doozy. Oh my gosh. Let's see the second step down. Maybe not. A little bit of work getting up. Down's not so bad. So, here we are. Tile's done. We need the electric done. He did say he fitted those skimmer caps in. He is not happy about the fact they gave us this beige one. He said when he comes back, he will definitely be bringing a white one. He said because he thinks it looks horrible. And I do think I like the white better. So, now we need the electrician. We get the electrician out here, finish up the electric, then we can get the inspection done. I guess the inspection would have to be done first, and then get this dirt put back where it belongs. We were supposed to have somebody come out to give us an estimate doing what we want to do along the road here. The road. The road. And the gate guy never came today to take these out, but Jeff said he didn't promise he'd be here today. We do have quite a few pieces of travertine left since we paid for them. We're going to keep them. Really wish we had the money to do travertine all on the ground, but it's so expensive. The reason I like it is because it's not hot. It's been out in the sun all day long, and you can touch it and you're not burning your hands. Oh, PR left her baby out here. So, here we are. Ruben told us that the contractor is super busy with pools in Tucson. So I hope that doesn't mean or translate to we're going to have a hard time getting him out here to get us an electrician. We'll see. But here we are. All the grout is done. Did a wonderful job. There's 2 spots that were not level, are level. I did not need to be concerned about that. He was aware of it. And he took care of it. And that's it. So probably go back to that waiting game, right? Okay, so that's everything. I did want to share all of that with you. That part is done. Find out when we can get an electrician and get the rest of this taken care of. The pool saga continues. We'll see you very soon. Check back in.